Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to give my curry plant its first cut. So this plant is about 1 feet tall right now and it doesn't have any branches. This is because I didn't prune it at all. So today I'm going to cut this curry plant into half of its length. This will encourage the plant to start branching, and the more frequent I prune this plant, the bushier it will be. So the cut that I made is at a 45-degree angle with the lowest point of the cut facing the opposite side of the new bud. This is to allow water to drain off properly and to avoid the new bud to be susceptible to disease from the water runoff. After about 2 weeks, you will notice the new bud start to emerge. So if you have curry plant at home and it's getting taller without having any branches, it might be time to give them a haircut. So that's my sharing for you today. I hope it will be beneficial for your garden need. If you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel, and I see you next time.